نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على سيدنا ومولانا محمد نبي الأمين المكين الكريم الرؤوف الرحيم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا بالله ورسوله والكتاب الذي نزل على رسوله والكتاب الذي أنزل من قبل ومن يكفر بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر فقد ضل ضلالا بعيدا صدق الله المولانا العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. After Alhamdulillah, all greetings of peace upon Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and upon his noble family members and upon his companions, and after that, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is belief in angels. فرشتوں پر ایمان رکھنا, ایمان بالملائکہ. Because the basic things where we have to believe in, like Iman Mufassal, we read, Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khayrihi wa sharrihi min Allahi ta'ala wal ba'thi ba'da al-maut. There are 7 things where we have to put our faith. Without any one thing, our Iman is not completed. First of all, Amantu billahi. Iman billah. Belief in Allah. First of all. Then wa malaikatihi. And all angels, his angels. The second. Wa kutubihi. And the third one, all books. All heavenly books. We believe in all heavenly books. Even the famous are 4 books, Torah, Zabur, Injil and Quran. But Suhuf Ibrahim or Musa, some more Suhuf, small books from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have to believe in. This is the part of our belief. وَرُسُلِهِ and all prophets, not only our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all prophets and messengers, all prophets and messengers. وَكُتُبِهِ وَرُسُلِهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ and the day of judgment, يوم آخرة. وَالْقَدْرِ خَيْرِهِ وَشَرِّهِ and the taqdeer, bad or good, all from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wal ba'thi ba'dal maut. And the lastly, the 7th one is, we have to come out from our qabr. We have to come in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. In all things, in Surah An-Nisa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, and especially I told you today we have a topic, belief in angels. Especially today we have topic. Because we can't see the angels, but they are existent and we have to believe in. Without seeing, without looking. This is the Iman bil ghaib. Without seeing, unseen. We can't see, but we have belief. Because Quran said, because Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah is existing, we can't see, but we believe in. And angels, we can't see, but we have believed. And Surah An-Nisa, verse number 136, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O believers, aminu billahi wa rasulih. Faith in Allah and His messengers. Wal kitab alladhi nazzala ala rasulih. And in the book which He has revealed to His messenger, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, in Quran. Wal kitab alladhi anzala min qabl. And the other books which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Torah, Injil, and Zabur. But in real shapes. After changing, now. In real shapes, if we have, then we are believing. وَمَنْ يَكْفُرْ بِاللَّهِ. And وَمَنْ يَكْفُرْ بِاللَّهِ, who denies, who has no faith, no belief in Allah, وَمَلَائِكَتِهِ, and on His angels, وَكُتُبِهِ, on books, وَرُسُلِهِ, on messengers, وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ, and the day of judgment, فَقَدْ ضَلَّ ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا, indeed strays far away. They are the ضَلَّ ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا, they are gumrah. They are strayed far away. Mean they have no faith. They have no iman. So all things we have to believe in. Allah and His angels, His books, His messengers, His prophets, and the day of judgment. And life after death. After death, the life, always life in the paradise and in the hellfire. We have to believe in. And Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, verse number 177, لَيْسَ الْبِرُّ أَن تُوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ قِبَلَ الْمَشْرِقِ وَالْمَغْرِبِ وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ وَالْكِتَابِ وَالنَّبِيِّينَ. Righteousness, neki, is not only merely that you turn your faces to the east or the west. सिर्फ मशरक मगरब की तरफ मुंह कर लेना, यानी सिर्फ नमाज पढ़ लेना, यही नेकी नहीं है. Only this is not righteousness. Only not this is the bir. This is the neki. This is the righteousness. وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ. First of all, we have to believe. If we do exercise like namaz without faith, there is no benefit. First of all, we have to believe in. We have to put faith, our faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His books and His messengers and the day of judgment and the life after death. We have to put first faith. وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ. But the true righteousness is that a person believes in Allah. وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ, and the day of judgment, the last day, and وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ, and the angels, وَالْكِتَابِ, and the book revealed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَالنَّبِيِّينَ, and all the prophets. If we have only iman, this is the true righteousness. This is the bigger neki. Righteousness. ये बहुत बड़ी नेकी है कि सिर्फ ईमान की रख ले. Iman is first of all. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. First of all, you have to faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and all things. Then وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. And the beautiful story about the angels. Angels are existing. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Surah Al-Zariyat. هَلْ أَتَاكَ حَدِيثُ ضَيْفِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ الْمُكْرَمِينَ. Has the news of the venerable guests of Ibrahim alayhi salam come to you? The real story, the beautiful story of angels, when angels came to Ibrahim alayhi salam. إِذْ دَخَلُوا عَلَيْهِ فَقَالُوا سَلَامًا. When the angels came to Ibrahim alayhi salam, they said, Salama, Assalamu alaikum. What did they say? They said, Assalamu alaikum. Angel said, again, Assalamu alaikum. Then what is the answer? Qala salamun qawmun munkarun. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam said, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This means this is the sunnah of all prophets. This is the sunnah of all angels and prophets. All angels, when they meet each other, when they meet the prophets, and they come to prophet by the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and first of all they used to say Assalamu alaikum. And qala salamun qawmun munkarun. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam in reply said, peace be upon you. Faragha ila ahlihi faja'a bi'ijlin samin. And the other sunnah, after salam dua, what is the other sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam? First of all, salam and dua. And after salam and dua, Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Faragha ila ahlihi. Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam went to home, mean inside. Faragha ila ahlihi faja bi'ijlin samin. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam went inside the home in haste. Jaldi se andar gaye. After salam dua, Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam went inside the home in haste and brought a healthy roasted calf. This is the mezbani, hospitality. This is the sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. When anybody comes to home, your home, this is the mezbani and mehmani. This is the sunnah of Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, he brought a roasted calf. بِعِجْلٍ سَمِينٍ فَقَرَّبَهُ إِلَيْهِمْ قَالَ أَلَا تَأْكُلُونَ. Then Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam presented to the angels and said, will you not eat? أَلَا تَأْكُلُونَ. Why are you not eating? Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. Because these angels were in the human shape. Not in the real shape. They were in the human shape. All angels. فَأَوْجَسَ مِنْهُمْ خِيفَةً. Then Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ felt some concerned about them. Why they are not eating? And asked them, أَلَا تَأْكُلُونَ. Will you not eat? Why are you not eating? فَأَوْجَسَ مِنْهُمْ خِيفَةً. Then they said, قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ. Angel said, don't worry. We are in human shape, but we are not human beings. We are angels. وَبَشَّرُوهُ بِغُلَامٍ عَلِيمٍ. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, why they came to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi wasalam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, commanded them, go to Ibrahim alayhi wasalam, and this is your duty. It was the duty of angels by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And they said, وَبَشَّرُوهُ بِغُلَامٍ عَلِيمٍ. Don't worry. Then they gave him the good news, the news about the beautiful and knowledgeable and the possessing knowledge and the wisdom, our son Ishaq alayhi wasalam. وَبَشَّرُوهُ. They gave the good news to Ibrahim alayhi wasalam about his son. This means angels are existing. We have to believe in all angels. And what they do, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded them, they do. They have not the other side, mean the bad deeds one. Only good deeds. And in Surah An-Nahl, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, what they do? يَخَافُونَ رَبَّهُمْ مِنْ فَوْقِهِمْ وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ. They keep fearing their Lord. They have taqwa, mean they have fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They have taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ. And obey whatever command they are given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are doing tasbih. They are doing tahleel. hamd, and the sajda, and the ruku, always. And the different duties by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they do. And all things, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not work with his hands or with tongue, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands to the angels, and angels do all things. Like about the clouds, about the rain, about the wind, they are all doing by angels. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands them, and they do. And different verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَلِلَّهِ يَسْجُدُ, and all in the heavens and the earth, all living things do sajda to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All things, even all angels, all trees, all things, whatever in the heavens and the earth, all things do sajda and ruku to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Surah Al-Anbiya, وَلَهُ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَنْ عِنْدَهُ لَا يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ عَنْ عِبَادَتِهِ. And whoever is in the heavens and in the earth serves and belongs to him alone, and those angels who remain in his presence are not arrogant towards his worship. Always they do ibadah, nor do they become weary of carrying out his obedience. يُسَبِّحُونَ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ لَا يَفْتُرُونَ. They glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by the day and the night. And every time what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands them, they do. And they have no relation with shaitan. And shaitan cannot attack on the angels. Only Satan attacks on the human beings and the jinns. That's why we do sometimes good deeds and sometimes bad deeds. I like jinns, sometimes they do good deeds and bad deeds. But angels always they do good deeds. And that's why angels they will go and help her, but only for the different duties, not for the punishment. Only jinns and human beings, they will go in the hellfire for punishment. And the angels will do all the duties in the paradise and the hellfire. That's why today's topic, we have to believe in Allah and all the messengers and all the prophets and all the heavenly books and all the angels and the day of judgment and the life after death. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to understand Quran and Hadith. وَمَا عَلَيَّ الْبَلَاغُ وَالْفَصْلُ.